If you want to align text in Premiere Pro, start by making sure your text is placed in the timeline. Select the Selection tool, either by clicking on it in the toolbar or pressing V on your keyboard. Then go over to your preview window and click on the text. One quick way to center the text is by holding Ctrl key on your keyboard while dragging it. You'll notice red guidelines appear, helping you snap it perfectly to the center. Another option is to right-click the text, choose Align to Video Frame, and then select Align Horizontally, followed by Align Vertically. Another method to do this is to select the text in the timeline and go to the Properties panel. In the Align and Transform section, click the Align Horizontal and Align Vertical icons to center the text instantly. If you are on an older version of Adobe Premiere Pro, then you will find this option in the Graphics panel. That's all you need to quickly align text in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.